What's up everybody? As promised from my previous desk build video, today I'm going to show you how I put together this super clean at-home workstation. So sit back, relax, and watch how this setup comes to life with your favorite tall guy. That's me, Mike. First, I started with the wall-mounted dual monitors. I wanted to make them as even with my natural eye level as possible while sitting in my desk chair. I found where the studs were in the wall, then took the mounting bracket and traced an outline of the bracket as well as the hole where the screws would go into the wall. I pre-drilled the holes to make sure I was hitting the stud, then screwed in the 4 mounting screws. Only 2 of the screws are true to the stud, but that should be enough to hold them up. I used a flat bar mount because I wanted the monitors to be as close to the wall as possible. I'll leave a link to this monitor mount down in the description. Alright, so now the monitors are mounted flush against the wall just like I wanted them to. And now I gotta wire everything up, put my PC where I want it to go, do some serious cable management, and we should be operational. On to mounting the TV. I picked up this hang-on TV wall mount from Walmart for about 20 bucks. It was pretty sweet because it came with a paper template of the mounting bracket. So all I had to do was find the wall stud, pick the height I wanted the TV to be at, then pre-drill the holes through the template taped to the wall. That there is a 43-inch Samsung UHD Smart TV. I got it from Walmart for about $250. A very affordable price for a top-of-the-line TV. The unboxing is the best part. Feels like Christmas morning. Attached the connecting piece to the back of the TV, then struggled by myself to get the screws through attaching the TV to the mount. This is definitely a 2-person job. I just didn't want to wait around for my roommates to get home. TV was up successfully, and that calls for some tall guy sellies. When was the last time you saw a tall guy dab that hard? Let me know. Cable management is one of my favorite parts of setting up a desk. It's a completely custom way of organizing and hiding all the cables that are coming from the computer, the TV, and any other electronics you may have. I use cable ties to bunch the cables together, then using cable clips, I nail those into the underside of the desk to keep everything out of sight. Any cables that were running down the wall, I bought cable covers from Home Depot in white to match the walls. These are an inexpensive way of hiding the ugly wires and cables that otherwise would detract from your fire setup. These cable covers come with a simple adhesive tape on the back, so all you have to do is peel and stick where you want it. That's a wrap on my desk setup. If you're interested in seeing the different peripherals I use, like my keyboard or mouse, I'll leave all the products down in the description. I built the PC I used last winter, and it's perfect for a mix of video editing, productivity, and gaming. If I'm not building or crafting, you can probably find me hanging out here at my desk. It was such a huge upgrade for me. Customizing furniture to fit the space and function that you need is my favorite part of any DIY project. If you enjoyed this setup video, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the awesome tall guy content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Mike on Tall Guy DIY.